Welcome to HVAC exam practice test. Our topic today is filters and air flow. Use the link in the description to download the app on the App Store for free practice tests. 1. Which of the following is not a method of heat transfer? A. Convection. B. Conduction. C. Radiation. D. Conduction heat fusion. The correct answer is D. Conduction heat fusion. Explanation: the three methods of heat transfer are convection, conduction, and radiation. Conduction heat fusion is not a recognized method of heat transfer. 2. What is the typical range of air velocity for human comfort? A. 0 to 20 fpm. B. 25 to 35 fpm. C. 35 to 50 fpm. D. 50 to 75 fpm. The correct answer is B. 25 to 35 fpm. Explanation: the best range for human comfort in terms of air velocity is 25 to 35 feet per minute, fpm, as this is generally ideal for maintaining comfortable airflow in a room. 3. What type of air filters need to be replaced or washed every 1 to 3 months in a standard HVAC system? A. Expensive electrostatic filters. B. Disposable filters. C. UV air cleaners. D. High-efficiency filters. The correct answer is B. Disposable filters. Explanation: disposable filters in an HVAC system need to be replaced or washed every 1 to 3 months depending on usage and exposure to dust, pets, smoke, etc. 4. In which of the following types of systems is the use of electronic air cleaners most beneficial? A. In residential homes only. B. In industrial warehouses. C. In hospitals and laboratories. D. In small offices. The correct answer is C. In hospitals and laboratories. Explanation: electronic air cleaners are especially beneficial in hospitals and laboratories, where controlling airborne viruses, bacteria, and mold is crucial. 5. What does the term CFM refer to in air distribution systems? A. Sound level. B. Air pressure. C. Cubic feet per minute. D. Feet per minute. The correct answer is C. Cubic feet per minute. Explanation: CFM stands for cubic feet per minute, which is a measurement of the volume of air flowing through an HVAC system. 6. When designing a perimeter heating and cooling system, where should supply outlets be located for optimal air distribution? A. Near the center of the room. B. Near the exterior walls. C. Near the ceiling. D. Near the floor. The correct answer is B. Near the exterior walls. Explanation: supply outlets should be located along exterior walls to blanket windows and outside walls, ensuring effective heating or cooling. 7. Which type of fan is most commonly used for circulating air with little or no resistance in a system? A. Centrifugal fan. B. Tube axial fan. C. Propeller fan. D. Vane axial fan. The correct answer is C. Propeller fan. Explanation: A propeller fan is typically used when little resistance is encountered, as in systems without ducts. 8. What is the purpose of a diffuser in an HVAC system? A. To increase the air pressure. B. To spread air in a widespread, fan-shaped pattern. C. To filter the air. D. To decrease air velocity. The correct answer is B. To spread air in a widespread, fan-shaped pattern. Explanation: a diffuser's purpose is to distribute air in a fan-shaped pattern, helping to provide even air distribution across the room. 9. What is the primary reason for sizing and placing return air grilles properly in an HVAC system? A. To reduce the sound level. B. To improve air filtration. C. To maximize energy efficiency. D. To ensure proper air distribution and minimize noise. The correct answer is D. To ensure proper air distribution and minimize noise. Explanation: proper sizing and placement of return air grilles are critical to ensuring efficient air distribution and minimizing noise in the system. 10. What is the main difference between mechanical and natural ventilation? A. Mechanical ventilation uses fans, while natural ventilation relies on open windows and vents. B. Mechanical ventilation relies on air pressure, while natural ventilation depends on temperature differences. C. Mechanical ventilation is only used in industrial applications. D. Natural ventilation is more energy efficient than mechanical ventilation. The correct answer is A. Mechanical ventilation uses fans, while natural ventilation relies on open windows and vents. Explanation: mechanical ventilation uses fans to circulate air, whereas natural ventilation relies on outdoor air entering through open windows or vents to circulate the air naturally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.